This is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com doing a quick video update for you on the max list. What's going on here? Well, first off, I have to tell you, the markets are squishy. You should always frame up the action against the markets and look at the individual stocks. We're going to take it right from the top with the max list here, and this is just in alphabetical order. I'm going to run through some names. Folks, I have to stress, we are in the thick of earnings seasons. Ignore the dates at your own peril. It only takes one or two blow-ups to destroy an account. And it's happened to me before where I got hit really hard on a stock, and it's not good. Not good. So anyway, here we go. Apple, below the 50-day, needs to start pushing through below the 200-day. Purple line's the 200-day, green line's the 50-day. Below the 200-day, this needs to start lifting up through the 200-day on volume. By the way, you see that bar there? We always study price and volume. You see that bar? That wasn't mom and dad selling. That was serious. Needs to get back through here on volume. Amazon, below the 50-day, fell on heavy volume yesterday. Frittering around here a little bit below the 50-day. But what's the key point? Earnings coming out here, folks, real soon. Know the dates. Know the earnings dates. I won't buy it. I won't own it just before earnings. Avgo, below the 200-day, just 200 days flat. It's in no man's land. Only positive, and this is a stretch, is you've got triple bottoms down here. But the group's fallen out of favor. Factor that into the equation. Alibaba, bottoms down here, below the 200-day, below the 50-day. Basically in no man's land right now. Got to leave it alone. Baidu, below the 50-day, the 200-day, flopping around. Does that mean it can't maybe bounce a little bit? Yes, it can, but is it a super clean, safe entry? Just be careful with it. No. Booking.com, this is the old price line, bouncing off the 50-day. But check this out. Fell on heavy volume here. Heaviest volume it had there for several days. Just be cautious with it. It's flopping around. It's not good. By the way, this stock trades with a wide spread. Right now, this stock's trading with over a $2 spread. Be careful. Facebook, down here below the 200-day, below a falling 50-day, fell on heavy volume yesterday. Price and volume. People talk with their mouths and vote with their pocketbooks, and they've been voting. Google, inside day, right here. This was earnings. How's that? There's a haircut for you. And I can say that because I don't need haircuts anymore. How about that? Inside day on low volume. Could it bounce off the 200-day? Possibly. We just need a good market. But that was serious selling yesterday. Serious selling. Goldman Sachs below the 200-day. Financials weak. You hate to see financials weak. MasterCard just flopping around here a little bit below the 50-day. Really not much happening here. Needs to start lifting above here. Netflix. Netflix had earnings and it gapped up. Now it's pulled back with the market. It's right on the 50-day. Notice my price alerts here. Could this bounce off the 50-day? Possibly. Possibly. We'll have to see. Tesla, flopping around here below the 200-day. Could it bounce? Sure, but be careful. You're below a falling 200-day and a falling 50-day. That's not where strength is. Focus on strength. Twitter had earnings today. I guess I should tweet that, shouldn't I? Bad pun. Ragging around here below the 50-day on heavy volume. Got to watch. Visa drops down on heavy volume yesterday, hanging here below the 50-day. Now we're going to go look at the indices real quick, the big ETFs. Diamonds fell on heavy volume yesterday. You see that? They voted. They sold. DDM, similar situation. Spiders fell on heavy volume yesterday. Down here near the 200-day. Needs to start lifting up. This really needs to take out yesterday's highs and start thrusting through the 50-day on volume. SSO, similar situation. QQQ fell on heavy volume yesterday. QLD, similar situation. Not good. Down to the 200-day. IWM, still hanging in there at the 50-day. TNA, hanging in there a little bit below the 50-day. I just wanted to share that with you folks. Just a quick overview. That's what we do every day and what we talk about at MissionWinners.com, just to keep people in line with what's going on. Look for opportunities. And you know what else? Stay out of trouble. Offense wins games, and it takes defense also. You can have the best offense in the world, but if we don't have a defense out there on the field at the right time, guess what? It's not so pretty. So thank you very much, and I hope this helps you.